you some? Daddy's ready? Gladiator's ready. Wow, good eye. What's in there?
I don't know.
You have to open it.
Tiny treat.
Okay, put it in your basket. Let's go find some more.
Ow.
Just put it in your basket,
Here.
bud.
What happened?
Can you pinch your hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grab your basket.
Oh no, it popped off.
That's
oh, yeah,
okay.
You can't drop it. It'll pop open. Can I get it?
That's okay. Just put it in your basket, buddy.
There you go. Good job.
Different.
Oh, the gecko. He left one with the gecko. What's in there?
Because different. Different.
What was in that one?
Don't.
We could open them at the end, huh?
Okay. A real egg.
No.
Oh! That's a real one.
Whoa, that's a real egg.
Did we decorate that yesterday?
He must have taken him out of the fridge. And don't squeeze it too hard, buddy.
Go put it in your basket.
Here, I'm going to hold that one.
Yeah, it's a good crack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna crack open and go be something.
Keep looking. What's over there?
Huh? A piggy!
Put in your basket.
This one don't cracks.
That's a real one.
It don't cracks.
No cracks. Put it in your basket so it doesn't get any cracks.
Keep going around.
Some over here.
This one!
That's silly. Good eye, buddy. Don't squeeze them.
We're gonna make some eggs
Yeah.
on the pasta and when it cool down.
Well, these ones are already cooked, so they're cooked on the inside. I'm gonna hold that one, but don't squeeze them then.
Oh,
It's okay.
my towel.
Just wipe on your shorts.
Where's one? This one! This one over there is in my car!
How silly! He's driving your car?
Enough!
There you go. Drop them in your basket.
Put it back in. And we go find the ball.
Was there someone?
Did you look on your slide? Maybe the bunny went for a... Maybe the bunny was playing out here.
Buddy could not find more eggs for me.
What about over on your slide, buddy?
I don't know. We can't find some.
Whoa, good eye.
He's never gonna get that one.
You could replant it.
There's a lizard. There's a lizard, Daddy. Wait up.
There's a lizard? Don't let him get your eggs.
Stop it. There's no egg in there.
Oh, how did he get in there? Oh, it opened.
I know.
Silly.
No. Silly.
Hey, look behind you.
Huh?
Oh, what's on the...
Hey, buddy. Come here. Oh. Oh.
Whoa!
Daddy stepped on one.
Don't dab that one.
Ready?
Oh, Easter Bunny's tricky. You put one in the tree. Here, you might close it.
Let me get that one.
Get that one. Something jumped out of it.
That! We up inside of it.
Hey, let's go this way again. Go further.
Check out the bushes. Nothing in the bushes. Did you check your slide?
Huh?
Did you check your slide?
I didn't.
Well, let's check it. Maybe the bunny left some over here.
Oh.
There's one.
Ew.
You think he left any more? Oh.
Ew. We don't want those.
It's okay. You can leave it over there. No, we'll take them out in a minute.
Oh.
How about over by your sandbox? Psst.
Did you play with your sandbox? Anything in there?
I don't.
Huh? Maybe you drove your car. Put some. Did you look in your car? There's one with a silly face. What's over there?
Huh?
Any in your sandbox?
Anything. Look. There's one.
Oh, there's one.
Ew.
Hanging out getting sandy.
Ew, we clean a poo-poo. We gotta wash those. We gotta wash all of those.
Okay, we'll wash all of those.
There's a couple more.
Who is it?
Hey, PJ.
Huh?
PJ, look.
Maybe the Easter Bunny played some softball while you were here. While he was here.
Which one?
What about your wagon?
I think he played with all your toys.
You fun again.
That guy's hiding.
That was
It's a silly face.
Look, it's right behind you.
Huh? Could be something.
Dinosaur.
Wait, I bugged it.
We're still missing at least one.
There's two that are high.
Oh. Hey.
Look up. Maybe the bunny played more basketball.
No, he didn't.
Are you sure?
No, he looks like maybe he did.
Look.
Huh?
I
Oh.
can't tell. I got that.